Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to cut you through on how to connect Gelato to Woocommerce. So connecting Gelato to Woocommerce in 2025 is a straightforward process, and I'm going to provide you a step-to-step guide to help you out. So the first step you have to take is access your Woocommerce admin panel and ensure your Woocommerce version is running on version 2.4.8 or higher version than that. Then your store has an active HTTPS connection too. Then after that, enable the REST API. For you to be able to enable it, go to the Woocommerce settings, advanced, then enable the legacy REST API too. After that, ensure your permalink settings are not set to plain by going to settings, permalink, and select a different structure too. Then in your Woocommerce admin panel, navigate to plugin, add new, search for Gelato and click install now, and then activate too. So once you do that, connect the Gelato. So for you to be able to connect it, find the new Gelato tab in the left hand menu of your Woocommerce admin panel and click connect to Gelato. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permission, and after that, start adding product by going to product, add product in your Woocommerce dashboard, design your offerings, set price, and manage your inventory using Gelato tools. And that is how to connect Gelato to Woocommerce in 2025. Find this video helpful, turn on the bell and follow. Thank you.